You are here because your country needs more photographers. You think you've got what it takes? Do you?
Yes, sir.
We'll see about that, Cupcake. Where are you from?
Brooklyn, sir.
Brooklyn? Only hipsters and trust fund babies live in Brooklyn. And you don't look that hip to me. Where are you shooting with?
Hasselblad 503, sir.
Outstanding. You need guts. You need motivation. You need to hustle. Being a photographer is one of the toughest jobs there is. What's so funny, numbnuts? What's your name, Private?
Matt Granger, sir.
Granger. Look at you. You're like a mobile B&H store. I'm gonna call you the Gear Ranger. Now drop and give me 20. One! You mean to tell me you can't even do one push-up, Gear Ranger? How do you expect to carry that ridiculous amount of equipment for a 12-hour wedding shoot? Can't even do one push-up, you paunchy, pot-belly gear hoarder? Get up! One! That's a start. I don't know, but I've been told Leica cameras are just for show. I don't know, but it's been said, no Nikon mirrorless before I'm dead. I don't know, but I've been told if you shoot film, you're probably old. Fancy camera you got there, Private. What's its name?
It doesn't have a name.
Every camera needs a name. Why are you here?
What?
Why do you want to be a photographer?
I want to take my camera into battle.
Oh, really? Show me your war face.
Huh?
Ah! That's a war face. Show me your war face.
Ah!
That was a trick question, you worthless button-clicking monkey. No one wants to see your stupid face. A working photographer's face should always be hidden by the camera. Now show me your real war face. Better.
First up, take that stupid thing out of your head. Now take a shot.
It won't fire.
Is there a battery?
I still won't take a picture.
This is a charger.
It's the eye of an artist with the skills in low light, rising up to the challenge of our clients. And the last known shooter finds his subjects at night, and he's watching us all with the eye of an artist.
Oh yeah.
Freelancing, pounding the pavement. I'm hustling, I'm staying hungry. The pressure's on and I can take all the heat. I've got bills and the skills to expose. It's the eye of an artist with the skills in low light, rising up to the challenge of our clients. And the last known shooter finds his subjects at night, and he's watching us all with the eye of an artist.
Come on, Charlene.
Don't spray and pray, soldier.
Light goes down and I'm straight to F14. Got the shot and took the glory. Steady hand and I know my f-stop's just a man with a really sore back. It's the eye of an artist with the skills in low light, rising up to the challenge of our clients. And the last known shooter finds his subjects at night, and he's watching us all with the eye of an artist.
This is my camera. There are many like it, but this one is mine. My camera is my best friend. It is my life. I must master it as I must master my life. Without me, my camera is useless. Without my camera, I am useless. I must fire my camera true. I must shoot straighter than my competition who is trying to steal my business. I must sign the client before he does. I will. Before the Lord of Light, I swear this oath.